Alright, here we have one of Fat Brain Toys' BrainTeaser games called Crankity. The Amazon link is in the description box below. It has 40 challenges, storage bag included, and it's all about using your brain and exercising your skills. Here's the storage bag to include all of your gears and cards with each of the puzzles for you to try to solve. We also have a rule card, which has an easy, medium, hard, and extra hard level, depending on what kind of difficulty you want. So here we're trying the easy level card, and you place the yellow gear and red gear and any other pieces that the card states to put on the board. And you just try to figure out what gears can accommodate with the other gear to get all of them spinning. Once you have all of the gears spinning, you typically would win that card. And then you can move on to the next level. And there you go, Fat Brain Toys Crankity BrainTeaser game. It definitely kept our young one busy for over an hour. Money well spent.
Thumbs up!